Welcome to this absolute beginner's buying guide for Phore. First, you'll need to create an account at Coinbase. This is the most easy to use website to purchase your first crypto with fiat currency. There's a referral link to Coinbase in the description to this video where you can also get a bonus $10 for signing up. Once you've verified your email address and added a mobile phone number to your account will be set up and you'll be ready to verify your identity. Click on the Verify Your Identity button and complete the automated verification with either a passport, driver's license, or other photo ID. You can use either your webcam or your mobile phone to upload a picture of your identification. Once it's scanned and completed, Coinbase will send you an email to confirm. Verification can be instant or take some time to process, but please contact Coinbase if you're having any issues getting your verification through. Now you're ready to add your first payment method to Coinbase and buy your first cryptocurrency. You can purchase in two ways, with your bank or with your credit card. Purchasing with your bank is ideal for larger purchases since there are higher limits with smaller fees at just 1.5%. It requires you to make a deposit to Coinbase from your online banking portal, and it can take a few days for your transfer to complete using this method. Please follow the instructions carefully on the Coinbase website to make a bank deposit. Purchasing with your credit card is instant, but you will be limited with how much you can spend, and the fees can be as high as 4%. You can see your purchasing limits on the Coinbase verifications page. Once you've added a payment method or sent your money to Coinbase via a bank transfer, you're ready to move on. The first thing we'll need to do is purchase Bitcoin. This example shows purchasing Bitcoin with a credit card. You can buy up to your limit and should buy the same amount of Bitcoin as you later wish to trade into Phore. You will be able to see the fees on the right side before completing your transaction, and once you're ready, click on Buy Bitcoin instantly. Your Bitcoin will then be added to your account balance. The next step is to trade our Bitcoin for Phore. In order to do this, we must register for an account at an exchange which lists Phore pairings. At the time of this video, Cryptopia is the main exchange to use. However, Phore may be listed on other exchanges in the future, so I would recommend checking out the Phore website on where to buy or trade Phore. The recommended exchange will be listed at the top of the page. Once you have your account registered on Cryptopia, you'll want to send your Bitcoin from Coinbase to this new account. On Cryptopia, go to the Cryptopia deposit page and select the currency that you want to deposit. In this case, it would be Bitcoin. You can type BTC into the box to quickly select Bitcoin from the list. A unique Bitcoin deposit address will then be generated for you. Simply head back to Coinbase, select the Accounts tab, and under the Bitcoin wallet balance, click on Send. Copy and paste your Bitcoin address which you generated at Cryptopia into the top box of this new panel. Double and triple check that the address that you paste into this box is identical to the address you generated at Cryptopia. If the address does not match, you will lose your Bitcoin by sending it to the wrong place. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to transfer and click Continue. It may take a while for the transaction to complete and show in your Cryptopia account, but do not worry. So long as the address that you entered is correct, your balance will transfer. Now, I added £10 to my Coinbase account for this example, and as you can see here, the network fee to send my remaining balance from Coinbase is higher than the amount of money that I have in the account. The network fees to send Bitcoin at this time are very high, and by the time you're watching this video, they may be lower. If you are concerned about network fees, please watch the video to the end because I will be showing you an alternate, more complex method of buying Phore, but there will be less fees involved and you will be able to get more Phore for your money. You're one step away from getting your very first Phore. Now that your Bitcoin has arrived at Cryptopia, you can head over to the Phore Bitcoin market. Don't let this page overwhelm you, it's very straightforward if you follow these simple steps. First, copy the value for last price. This is at the top right of the page, and this is the current price that Phore is trading at. Enter that value into the price box, which is inside of the Buy Phore section on the left side. Enter the amount of Phore that you want to buy so that the total cost, which is shown in the bottom box, is equal to your available balance as shown at the top right of this little window. Click on Buy Phore and wait for your transaction to complete. Now that you've submitted your buy order, you will see it in the order book down here on the right side. Your buy order is the one that is indicated with the 3 vertical green dots. Now, if other people submit buy orders before your buy order is completed, you may start to see your buy order slipping down this list and it may not get fulfilled. If that happens, then you may want to cancel your buy order and replace it with a higher price. To do this, you can come down to the bottom of the page and you can click on the red X next to your order under the My Open Orders section. This will cancel your order and allow you to replace it once again. You won't be charged any fees from Cryptopia until the order is completed. You'll want to keep an eye on this to make sure that your order is completed, especially if you're buying more Phore, as you may get priced out as more buy orders come in. Congratulations, you now have your first Phore, and you can check your balance on Cryptopia at the balance page. Now that you own some Phore, you'll want to move it into a wallet, and we'll take you through the required steps to do this in the next tutorial. Due to the high transaction fees and wait times of transferring Bitcoin, you may be able to get more Phore for your money by buying Litecoin instead of Bitcoin on Coinbase. Although Phore has a Litecoin pairing on Cryptopia, the trade volume between Phore and Litecoin is currently very low. However, Litecoin has much smaller transaction fees and will complete the transfer between Coinbase and Cryptopia much faster. This does mean that there would be an extra step of converting your Litecoin into Bitcoin when it arrives at Cryptopia, or if you have the patience to buy your Phore in small amounts, then you may be able to purchase all of your desired Phore entirely with Litecoin over the space of a few days. To purchase Phore using this more advanced method of buying Litecoin and then transferring to Bitcoin, you would follow exactly the same steps as shown before, only instead of buying Phore directly with the Bitcoin, you would transfer Litecoin to Cryptopia and then trade Litecoin to Bitcoin or buy your Phore directly with the Litecoin. Hopefully this video has been clear and it will be useful to you, but if you do have any questions, please leave a comment below this video and we'll do our best to answer as quickly as possible. You can also join the Phore community on Discord or on Reddit, and the links to those will be below this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.